Welcome to our Oracle course category, designed to take your database skills to the next level with expert-led hands-on training. Whether you're diving into Java programming, mastering Oracle database management, or exploring cloud solutions, these courses equip you to build, optimize, and support powerful Oracle systems that drive business success. Every session is guided live by seasoned professionals who bring years of real-world experience to the classroom, ensuring you not only understand the tools, but you know how to apply them in your day-to-day work. You'll leave with detailed playbooks, ongoing resources, and a clear learning path to help you grow long after the course ends. Whether you're an individual looking for a public class or seeking expert-led training for your team, or searching for a trusted partner to create a scalable enterprise-wide learning plan for your organization, we've got flexible options to support your success. Check out the full list of courses below to find the right one for your needs. And if you're interested in special rates or private team training, reach out today. We're here to support your success.